What's going on, everybody? So look, this right here is a video that is about, you know, why we get sick, okay? And what makes us sick, okay? So from the top, okay, what makes us sick? What makes us sick is the chicken. What makes us sick is the steak, it's the eggs, it's the cheese, it's the environment, it's the toxic people, it's the toxic partners, okay? The toxic partners, all right? This collectively contributes to your overall well-being, all right? So something I want you to know is wellness is not just a one-way street, all right? I know I talk about being high raw vegan, and that's cool and that's great, but wellness is a whole lot deeper than just what you put inside of your vessel. It is what you are around, okay? It is what you do. It is what you think, okay? All right. So it's fitness, it's breath work. It's a holistic thing. Okay, this is the reason why I created this board game right here, right? Breaking the chains off wellness. Because the babies need to know the information about how to actually take care of themselves and how it's not just food. Okay, it's not just about food. They need to know, okay, cool, it's about this lifestyle. You feel me? It's not only food, but it's also what I do, what I think. You feel me? My lifestyle, my normal routine, my rising routine, my afternoon routine. You feel me? All of these things matter. Breath work, tapping into breath, right? Tapping into mind, doing gratitude. These things are super important. Okay. But this right here specifically, this video is all about, what makes you sick. And in general, as far as food, it is literally just animal products. Animal products, and there's of course, and like I just said, there's other things, right? There's trauma, there's other things, but yeah, for the most part, you're not fueling your cells as of for right here, right now, where your vibration is at. Okay. So the two worst, what is sickness? What is being sick? Being sick is essentially a physical expression of the fact that your body is not able to bounce back from the poison that you done gave it. Okay. It's literally that simple. All right. Why? Why? Because, when you give your body, right, these foods, such as like the pork, such as the chicken, such as, the eggs, the milk, the animal products, right? These things are not meant for you. So they get clogged up inside of your body. Okay. They aren't even digestible. Okay. And through that happening, this collectively contributes to a buildup of waste matter in your colon, okay? As well as a buildup of excess fermentation and putrefaction. There's a book that I want you guys to get out. I don't know what the book is called exactly right here. Do I have it? I'm not seeing it right now, but I do have the book. I think it's in my laptop bag. But anyways, yeah, putrefaction and excess fermentation are the two worst enemies to the gut. Okay, it's called a colon health. I'll put it in the description, but make sure you look at the description to know the name of the book, and you can look it up, probably find a PDF, or if not, just purchase it somewhere on Amazon or something like that. Okay. So putrefaction and excess fermentation are the two worst enemies to the gut. Through you having that, plus the buildup of waste matter, right? You're going to have problems breathing. You're going to, like the acne that we have and stuff like that. That's because there's too much waste matter in your colon. You need to essentially not be full of shit. Yeah, you need to not be full of shit. It's just that simple. And it's really, really always been that simple. Okay. But I want y'all to read that book. Okay. That book right there is legendary. All right. So yeah, fermentation, putrefaction, and a bit of a waste matter is what makes us sick. Okay. We do not get sick. We don't get sick. Okay. We only have expressions from the foods that we are choosing to eat. Okay. All right. So with that being said, another thing too is this. it's not just animal products that create excess fermentation. All right. Excess fermentation can also be caused by grains, by you not properly knowing how to pair your food together, as well as by you not properly preparing your food correctly, and just you simply eating foods that are that are just like known to end up in the large intestine and cause excess fermentation. Okay. So with that being said, yeah, make sure you, like I said, check the description, buy the book. Okay. Buy the book. The best investment you will make. I promise you. All right. And yeah, with that being said, this is why you shouldn't be eating those foods, as well as this is how this is how human beings have been getting sick for a very long time. Okay, because we've been eating these same animals, and yeah, okay. Just know that when you become an actual member, right? When you become a VIP, Breaking the Chains Off Wellness member, you get access to how to prevent the sickness, as well as how you can also properly prepare your foods and just so forth. We go in depth on this topic, okay? And also what foods to have to be able to prevent sickness from even occurring, okay? All right, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, link below is also going to allow you to get a 7-day free trial to watch the exclusive content that talks about how to never get sick again. Okay. All right. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.